Welcome to our video. Today, we wish to talk about gallstone warning signs. Please, comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Today, we'll be shedding light on a common health concern that affects many people worldwide, gallbladder disease. Specifically, we'll discuss what you need to know about this condition, its causes, symptoms, and effective remedies. So, let's dive right in. Understanding gallbladder diseases. Before we delve into the causes and symptoms of gallbladder diseases, let's understand what the gallbladder actually is. The gallbladder is a small organ located just below the liver. Its main function is to store bile, a substance produced by the liver that helps in the digestion of fats. Gallbladder diseases encompass a range of conditions, including 1. Gallstones, 2. Cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder, and 3. Biliary dyskinesia, a condition affecting gallbladder movement. These conditions can cause discomfort and other symptoms that significantly impact a person's quality of life. Causes and risk factors. So, what causes gallbladder diseases? Well, there are several factors that can contribute to the development of these conditions. One significant risk factor is a high-fat and low-fiber diet. Studies published in the Journal of Gastroenterology have shown that diets rich in saturated fats and low in fiber can increase the risk of gallstone formation. Other risk factors include 1. Obesity, 2. Rapid weight loss, 3. Certain medications, and 4. Underlying medical conditions such as diabetes and liver disease. It's crucial to be aware of these risk factors and make lifestyle choices that promote a healthy gallbladder. Symptoms and diagnosis. Recognizing the symptoms of gallbladder diseases is essential for timely intervention. The most common symptom is pain in the upper abdomen, often on the right side. This pain can be sharp or cramp-like and may worsen after eating fatty or greasy foods. Other symptoms include 1. Nausea, 2. Vomiting, 3. Bloating, 4. Indigestion, and 5. Jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis. Effective remedies. While medical intervention may be necessary for severe cases, there are some effective remedies that can help alleviate symptoms and improve gallbladder health. One approach is making dietary changes. Increasing your intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while reducing the consumption of saturated fats and processed foods can promote gallbladder health. Regular physical activity is also beneficial as it helps maintain a healthy weight and promotes proper digestion. Additionally, some studies published in the Journal of Hepatology suggest that herbal remedies like milk thistle and turmeric may have positive effects on gallbladder health. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any alternative treatments. If you suspect you may have gallbladder disease, remember, self-diagnosis can be misleading. And only a healthcare professional can provide an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment options. If you've been experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed, please consult your doctor without delay. Early detection and intervention can significantly improve outcomes for individuals with gallbladder diseases. Thank you for watching. Please, comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel.